Welcome back, sweetheart. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy treat that is sure to please all hearts, young and old. Let's get started. You will need a package of the Grand Cinnamon Bun brand Pillsbury cinnamon rolls. You'll take out each of the cinnamon rolls, unravel them, and then you will take each corner and start to roll in. By rolling these two ends together, you will create a heart shape. Once this is done, you will grab the bottom and pinch together to create the point to the heart. Next, you will pinch the area between both of your rolls that you created by making the heart shape so that the two areas will bake together. Here I'm just double checking to make sure the middle of the hearts are connected and will bake as one. Now it is time to bake your cinnamon rolls according to the directions on the package. Once they are baked to perfection, you will remove your cinnamon rolls from the oven and begin to ice. An easier way to ice your cinnamon rolls is to remove the icing from the package that it comes in and place into a Ziploc bag. This acts as a piping bag and will help with easy maneuvering when icing your iced cinnamon rolls. Once the icing is in the Ziploc bag, I simply cut the corner and begin to ice the cinnamon rolls. And there you have it, a quick, easy, fun, cute Valentine's Day treat. Not too much fuss, but just as much love. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Happy Valentine's Day!